So how do I look?
Great.
Okay, got a great head for radio. And unfortunately, this is not radio. This is the Acumatica Partner News. What are we calling this thing?
Engage Partner News.
Engage Partner News, that's what it is. So hopefully you're engaged. The little sign has now gone to red and it says engaged. So let's get going. It's been a while since we talked with you and there's been a lot of things happening over the last couple of weeks, months, over the last quarter. And the most important thing, of course, being the Partner Summit. And a big thank you to each and every one of you that took the time to come along and join us at the summit. Really, really exciting time, certainly for us, and hopefully it was for you as one of the more than 400 people who actually joined that event. I wanted to make sure we sent out again another thank you to all of our sponsors who really helped us to make the event really, really special this year. And certainly another year gone by, another opportunity where we've raised the bar a little bit higher. The presentations and the videos from the event are coming very, very soon. I've just been going through with the video production team and making sure that they're all looking good, so stay tuned for those. They'll all be coming out in the Demos on Demand format. And speaking of Demos on Demand, I'll be going to San Francisco tomorrow afternoon to record a whole bunch of additional demos. So we'll be in touch with you about how you can start getting that content packaged up and syndicated onto your websites, help you drive down your cost of sales and get engaged earlier in the sales cycle. One of the things we talked a lot about at the Partner Summit. Also, big news that we announced at the summit, our 1,000th customer, and that is a company called Sunshare. Basically, they are out of Colorado as well, so it was good timing that we were holding our Partner Summit in their home state, and they came along and they accepted an award from John Roskell, our CEO, and they've got a really, really interesting business model. I'm not going to talk about it in this video because you can hear and see that in the videos from the summit when they come out. Important to note, couple of betas, or betas, you say beta, I say beta, let's call the whole thing off. So anyway, the Acumatica 5.0 beta is now available, so you as a partner can go ahead and you can download that from the partner portal. You can also access it at beta.tryacumatica.com if you would like to access that and give it a try without having to download it and set it up yourself. So you'll see, once again, beta.tryacumatica.com. So go to that URL and the details of how to log on are all there as well for you. The payroll beta is also available, so please make sure you're taking the opportunity to sign up for the payroll beta. Get in touch with Jean Gear. Again, here is a contact details where you can get in touch with Jean and you can let her know that you would like to participate in the payroll beta. We're looking for a few good men and women to help us join that beta testing process. Beta, I've got to figure out one way of saying it. Beta, data, whatever. And then also, speaking of updates relating to Jean, as you know, looks after all of our pricing calculator work, and the pricing calculator has also been updated. So please make sure you're taking advantage of the latest pricing calculator. So with that, I'm going to shut up for a second and take a breath and pass across to Charlie Horton.
All right, well thank you, Richard. It was great seeing everyone at the summit, and my favorite part was really announcing our award winners for this year. We had 17 award winners across all sorts of categories. We want to say again, congrats. You can see the full list of who won this year. Hopefully you guys all got excited and there's some competition moving into next year for all these awards. So great work to everyone, and we look forward to announcing some more winners this next year at our summit. Another exciting thing we had at the summit was we announced our new support center, and this is opening in Ohio. We're moving L2 support to the United States. We heard from many of you partners asking about getting support here. That office is opening, and we're looking for headcount right now. So if you know anyone in Ohio who wants to work for Acumatica, let us know. Otherwise, we'll hope to see the benefits of that very soon.
Sorry, L2 support.
Level 2 support.
Okay, I thought that might be like L2D2 or R2D2 or one of those acronyms.
Like
okay, L2D2, level 2. All right, so that's when a partner needs help, that's the people that they get in touch with is level 2 support.
Absolutely, right here in North America now, so priority support for partners who are out there selling.
That's a good thing.
One thing that I really am passionate about, and that we announced again at the summit, and hear lots of announcements today, this is really our recap, is some updates we made to our partner program. So as you know, we already have a great partner program, really based on 3 pillars. One, we don't have any program fees. 2, we are 100% partner, meaning we sell all through you guys as a partner, we're never competing against you guys, and we offer industry-leading margins and terms. We even have been recognized by CRN as having a 5-star partner program this last year. Now, in talking with everyone and really figuring out how can we make the program better, we've decided to split compensation from competency. So what this means is we now have 2 programs which will fall under the partner program. You have your standard partner program, which gives you your silver and gold certification, and then we have our new margin level structure. That is our internal relationship with you, our partners. The partner program is now based on 2 key areas, training and satisfied customers. So the training requirements we had previously is not changing. It's still individual badge-based training, and the same badges that were required before are going to be required today. The new requirement is satisfied customers. What we want to be able to say is when you are a silver or gold certified partner, you successfully know the product, you've gone through the entire sales cycle and been educated there, and you've been able to implement it for your customers and come out the other side with a satisfied customer. That's when we will give you the stamp of silver or gold certified from Acumatica. Now you're probably all wondering what happens to the margin. Margin is now moved into a new compensation piece, which we call margin level structure. This new margin level structure is our internal relationship with you, our partners. Now the new customer requirements is actually getting easier per year for you. And what this means is we are allowing you to now count subscription renewals each year to hit your total customer number. Now the total customer number is the same from what it previously was, it's just now easier for you to attain. So this is a great benefit for most all partners who are selling subscription. And what's the great thing about selling subscription is it really drives that recurring revenue every year to your partners. So we talked a lot about the summit that Acumatica really helps you reach your business potential. We help customers do that, but we're also helping you partners do that. By getting that recurring revenue every year, and what we do is something really cool at Acumatica, we pay that same industry-leading margin every year on that subscription renewal. So it should be easier now for you to maintain your current margin level structure. Now you won't have register silver or gold anymore at margin level. You have level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4 part of that. Now the last piece that's now part of the new margin level structure is a support plan. We now have different support levels for all of our partners. And what this really does is give priority support to partners who are out there selling. So the more you sell, the more priority you get from our support and services team when you need help implementing those customers. So for more information on all the partner program and the margin level structure, please see the links below. There's full explanations on what the program is today. And if you have any questions about what this may be affecting you, please contact your Acumatica partner account manager.
I really like the new partner program, Charlie, and congratulations to you and the rest of the team for doing the great work around that. And the thing I like about it is it's something I've been trying to achieve, certainly when I was at Microsoft and then again at SAP, really giving you the ability to say that you can clearly point to the certification, showing your customers that you know what you're doing when you're doing an implementation. And separating that from the whole sales volume discussion, because we all know that you can be out there and you can sell a heck of a lot of product but not have happy customers at the end of it. So I think it's a good thing that we've separated that out. Training updates, there's training updates as well.
Absolutely. So as we do change the partner program here, we wanted to again introduce some more classes and training so we can really help you cover that full customer life cycle. What we've heard from you in the past is we don't have enough material on sales and pre-sales and implementation. So we've been working this past year to really build that new content around it. So we introduced 3 new classes at the summit, a sales, a pre-sales, and an implementation class, all brand new, first taught at the summit these past couple weeks. So hopefully many of you got to attend that. All of these classes will be available on Acumatica University in the coming months. Along with that, we also relaunched our entire financials classes, and those are covered by our business consultant badge. So we taught our financials intermediate class for the first time at the summit, and that'll also be available on the Acumatica University coming soon. Now with all these new classes, we wanted to make sure that you partners were getting the certifications you needed. So we've introduced 2 new badges.
You partners need these certifications.
Yeah. Well, we want to make sure that we want to make sure that we're giving you the credit for all the hard work you're doing and that you can really show a customer, this is what I know, this is the part that I understand about the customer lifecycle. So with that, we have 2 new badges, and that is our pre-sales engineer, covered by all the pre-sales classes that Richard's been teaching, and our project manager, which is covered by our new implementation class, which was taught by Diane Grayson of Grayson Solutions. And that is our new Empower methodology. So,
and what does Empower stand for? Well, let me tell you. Evaluate, map, plan, operationalize, build your work packages, execute, and then review. So there is a methodology to the madness. So, sorry, I interrupted you. Please continue.
Good. Diane's class will also, she's going to be teaching an online class starting here in October. So if you'd like to register and weren't able to attend the summit, on the partner portal right now you'll see the link. Make sure to register. It'll be 2 hours a week over an 8-week period. So a great way to learn the new Acumatica implementation methodology.
Fantastic. All right. What else did we have? I think we also have the partner support program. We've talked a little bit more about that.
Yes, so that is launching now with our new margin level structure.
Mm-hmm.
So all partners will get to benefit from this new program, and make sure you're receiving the priority support from us when you're out there selling during those implementations. One thing that I was really excited about, and one of our fellow colleagues, Christian Limburg, announced, was our new Grow program. So this has been in pilot for a while, but there's a lot of great things coming about it, really using Acumatica to its full extent through a multi-tenant version for many customers who are running simplified versions of Acumatica.
Yeah, it's a great solution. So one of the things we heard loud and clear from you in our partner base was that you really wanted to be able to go out and sell Acumatica into those smaller customers, but our pricing model wasn't structured in a way that allowed you to do that. So the Grow program is really designed to help you offer Acumatica at a lower price point, much lower than ever before. So again, I would encourage you to take a look on the partner portal, get an understanding of what the Grow program is about. And of course, because it's a sales related topic, reach out to your partner account manager if you've got additional questions about the pricing, about the program, or about how you can take that program to market. Now, one other thing that I did want to talk about is some demo data. Some of you would have heard at the summit that sales engineer extraordinaire, Desert Doug Johnson, so known because of his dry sense of humour, he's been working on building a whole new set of demonstration data. That's up on the portal. So right now he's building all new scripts to help you utilize that demo data effectively, but you can start getting familiar with the demo data right now. It's up there on the portal, and it's also in the Acumatica Channel Sales Toolkit, so you can access it from either of those locations. The other thing that you need to be aware of in that demo data is there is an enhanced set of dashboards. So we know customers love seeing those dashboards. They're a great way of explaining exactly how the whole role-based architecture of Acumatica works. So I would encourage you to get your hands on that demo data and start using it as well. And don't forget, the demo servers are available. We did have a little bit of a challenge with sizing those servers, and I made a mistake and I overloaded some of the servers, so the performance wasn't that great. That has now been fixed. So please let me know if you are still having a challenge with your demo data set, and I will move you onto a new server. There is no shortage of servers available in my server farm to make sure that you can show Acumatica at its best. Speaking of showing Acumatica at its best, one of the things that we're doing is launching this week. Matter of fact, starting this Thursday, or is it Friday?
Thursday.
It's Thursday. I better make sure I get that right, because I'm the person who's delivering the Marketing University. So starting this Thursday, and then every other Thursday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, or when Daylight Savings ends Pacific Time, then we will be offering the Marketing University. So again, out on the partner portal, go and take a look at what's there. What's the focus of the Marketing University? It's really about helping you build a marketing strategy that's aligned to your business goals, and then making sure that you are building and executing the most effective tactics to help you achieve that strategy. And hopefully one of the components of that strategy is to sell more Acumatica solutions, build a bigger revenue base for your company, and have a lot more happy customers who are unlocking their business potential with the Acumatica solution. One last point that I wanted to talk about is some of you have already heard that we are replacing the Zift solution for people's websites. Now there's a couple of different components to this. We are offering the Acumatica Digital Marketing Hub program, and you can find that again mentioned on the partner portal, but here is the URL you need to go to find out more about that. We already have 5 partners who've signed up and are rebuilding their entire website. utilizing the framework of that program. But if you just want to get a new Acumatica landing page on your website, then we'll certainly be happy to work with you on that. And that's something that we're managing kind of on a case-by-case basis, because there's a number of different partners who are using all kinds of different content management systems to run their websites, including some I've never heard of before. I heard of one the other day called .NET Nuke. So I thought that was maybe something about blowing up Redmond. But anyway, apparently it's not. Apparently it is a content management system. So that's the Marketing University. Did we miss anything?
No, I think that's it. A lot of different things covered today. You'll see all the notes below here in the partner portal. Again, we want to say thank you for all the partners that attend the summit. It was quite a great week. We had lots of good stuff going on, big announcements that we just covered. Busy for the next few months now.
Yep, and I had a lot of fun rewiring up the network at the hotel on the Wednesday when we had a little bit of a challenge during our training. But that's the great thing about the internet, right? It always presents you with lots of opportunities to learn, lots of opportunities to build a really strong recurring revenue base. So if that's something you're interested in, again, think about the GROW program, familiarize yourself with the changes that are happening in the partner program. And of course, both Charlie and I are available for you if you've got any questions, and you can reach out to your Acumatica Partner Account Manager. So with that, I wish you good selling, and we look forward to seeing you in the next update from us in the Acumatica Partner Program team. Charlie, thank you.
Thank you.